IR remote control door opener using ESP32. This project involves building an automated door control system using ESP32 card, which allows the user to open and close a door remotely using an IR remote control. When the user presses a button on the remote, the KY032 detects the presence of the IR pulse and sends a digital high signal to ESP32. The user presses the button 1 on the IR remote. The servo rotates to 20 degrees to open the door. The user presses the button 2 on the IR remote. The servo rotates to 90 degrees to close the door. Connecting the system components. Wooden house prototype represents a real-life house model with a door that opens and closes. The servo motor is mounted inside the house, controlling the door movement. The LCD screen is attached to the exterior for status display. ESP32 board acts as the main controller of the project. It reads the state of the push button, sends control signals to the servo motor, and updates messages on the LCD display. The servo motor controls the physical opening and closing of the door. It rotates to an angle 20 degrees to open the door and back to 90 degrees to close it. Connect the yellow wire from the servo motor to pin GPIO23 of the ESP32 board. Connect the red wire from the servo motor to the 5-volt pin on the ESP32. Connect the brown wire from the servo motor to the GND pin of the ESP32. LCD I2C screen displays real-time status messages such as door is open or door is closed. Connect GND pin of LCD I2C display to GND pin of ESP32. Connect VCC pin of LCD I2C display to 5-volt pin of ESP32. Connect SDA pin of LCD I2C display to GPIO21 pin of ESP32. Connect SCL pin of LCD I2C display to GPIO22 pin of ESP32. The KY032 has an IR photodiode and can detect IR light pulses from an IR remote control, depending on configuration. In this system, it acts as a basic IR trigger. Connect the GND pin of the KY032 sensor to the GND pin of ESP32. Connect the plus pin of the KY032 sensor to the 3.3 volt pin of ESP32. Connect the out pin of the KY032 sensor to the GPIO19 pin of ESP32. IR remote control sends infrared signals to the KY032 sensor to trigger the door mechanism. For more details you can visit www.robotiq.site/robotic-guide. And thank you for your attention.